T-Mobile is making moves to begin taking advantage of Sprint's network. Hi, I'm Chris from the Mobile Internet Resource Center, here to give you an update on the state of T-Mobile and Sprint. Now, in case you've been paying attention, just 3 weeks ago, these two companies merged to become one, and ever since, they've now been working to actually integrate their systems, and T-Mobile in particular has been very eager to take advantage of Sprint's spectrum holdings. And now, T-Mobile has announced their first major milestone towards doing that. So what T-Mobile has announced that they have rolled out to the world is they have taken Sprint's mid-band 2.5 gigahertz LTE spectrum, otherwise known as LTE Band 41, and have been now repurposing it for T-Mobile's 5G use in Philadelphia and very soon in New York City. Now, this is very, very juicy spectrum. It is the main reason that T-Mobile was so eager to acquire, merge with Sprint. Now, if you think about 5G, there's basically a layer cake of spectrum. There's millimeter wave 5G that you hear talked about as the super crazy fast, really, really insanely fast gigabit speed spectrum, but it is super short range, only really suitable at the moment for urban cores because it doesn't even pass through windows, barely goes down a block. Very short range spectrum, but very fast. And then there is low band spectrum. This is what T-Mobile's 600 megahertz network is being used for. The bottom layer of the cake that goes out way wide, covers a lot of distance, but really isn't all that much faster. You think of it as really good LTE. It's not a big speed boost over 4G. And the mid-band spectrum is kind of the balance between the two. It doesn't have the same range as the low band, doesn't have the crazy fast speed as the high band, but it gives you a lot more coverage, and it still really lets you take advantage of 5G technology. So this is what Sprint owned a lot of, hadn't been using much of, and now T-Mobile wants to make the foundation of their nationwide 5G networks. They've got 600 megahertz low, millimeter wave in some core cities, and now they're going to start showing what they can do with Sprint's mid-band spectrum. First city, Philadelphia, then New York City, and we'll see how this actually comes out. But they're saying they're already seeing speeds of 600 megabits per second, which is pretty phenomenal. Now, what next? There's also an update on what Sprint customers are getting now that these two networks are coming together. And T-Mobile has said that they've now finished turning on roaming for all Sprint customers. So anybody with a Sprint device that is outside of the Sprint area, where there's also T-Mobile coverage, will now automatically roam onto T-Mobile's network and be able to take advantage of that. So the networks are still operating separately. So if you're in a Sprint area, you'll go to Sprint's network. But if you're out of Sprint coverage, Sprint customers now can tap into T-Mobile's network, which T-Mobile says has more than doubled the number of cell towers available to Sprint customers. That's great. There's one other update for Sprint customers who have been using Sprint's early rollout 5G network on Sprint's midband. T-Mobile is actually going to be shutting that network down and replacing it with T-Mobile's 5G across all the spectrum bands. And so Sprint phones that are not compatible with T-Mobile, Sprint 5G phones, and there were a few of those, are going to need to upgrade, or they're basically going to become just 4G phones, other than the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G. So later this month, Sprint customers who have that particular phone, they'll basically become a T-Mobile 5G phone. They'll be able to take advantage of T-Mobile's 5G network. Other Sprint customers, it's time to start talking to T-Mobile about the offers that they'll have for upgrading to a T-Mobile compatible phone. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. These two companies and these two networks are still just beginning to merge. It is exciting, promising time for them, and we're looking forward to seeing what comes of them being fully integrated and rolling out this mid-band spectrum, not just to two cities, but nationwide.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.